Let's talk a little bit about importing data into MySQL. Here we have, make sure your AMPS is running with both the Apache running as well as MySQL running. Then, make sure you can open up a tab to localhost phpMyAdmin. Yeah. What this opens up is phpMyAdmin is just a view into our database system. So what you do is click on new one time, type in the name of a database that you want. I'm going to use Henry, and I'm going to create it. Now you notice Henry's here. It doesn't have any tables yet or anything like that, but we're going to create it using what is known as an SQL script. So I'm going to, usually for all the assignments, I have the scripts in place. So I'm going to click on it to open it. And I'm going to right button click, select all. Then right button click and copy it. Then I place it, click on my SQL tab, and in this white area, click here and paste, Control V. All this is a very long script of SQL statements. Now we're going to be covering all, if not most of these guys later on in the semester. But that's all this is, right? You see how it's enclosed it ends with a semicolon. That's one statement, everything between it, yeah? So then I'm going to click on Go, and then we have, and you can refresh to kind of get a thing, and then I have Henry and all of our tables in there. Now, for some of the assignments, I will ask you to go ahead and query it. So like, for example, I want to know all the books, all the data that I have in books. So I click on select asterisk from book, semicolon. Type in my statement, make sure it's correct. Then I click on Go. And I see all the books that I have in the book table. And that's how you import data and test it inside of MySQL.